Just doing quick shopping over at the Big C, the super center. Since I found it, I tend to come here more because it's so big and it has everything you're looking for. And of course they have a food park because that's standard issue with the Big C's here in Thailand. This one's pretty big. I think COVID has closed down a lot of the stands. I think that was open at one time back there, and it looks like beer actually. They might have had beer there and some kind of a fun pavilion for kids over there in the corner. But today I got a pad thai, shrimp pad thai, one of my absolute all-time favorites, wrapped in an omelet. So that's a little bit different that it's in an omelet. So 65 baht, $2, cheap, 2 orders as usual. Nam nam, hit me twice with the nam, bam bam. So I just thought it was cool that it was wrapped in an omelet, so I'm going to give it a try. And there she is. So inside, once I get the utensils out here, there we go. I already put fish sauce on it, hot sauce, and sugar. And it comes like all pad thai with green onions, lime, and crushed peanuts. I'm going to hit it with the lime on top of the fish sauce, on top of the sugar, on top of the chili sauce. There we go. We'll just give it a shot. So when you open it up, you see there's pad thai in there. Pad thai noodles, and of course shrimp. There you go. So there's the pad thai that you're used to, just inside the omelet. Should be an interesting flavor. Noodles, I'm going to try to get some of the noodles with the egg. Alrighty. It works. I mean, there's usually egg in pad thai anyway, and this is just a little bit higher ratio of egg to noodle. And then, you know, anything with shrimp is good. So let me grab some shrimp here. The sugar, the fish sauce, the chili oil, the lime. That is a really good combination. I gotta say, I'm a happy camper. Shrimp good size, tasty, and with all those things that you put on it, it really works. A combination of flavors. There's a lot going on there. Very complex for a omelet filled with noodles and shrimp. So that's a winner. I would definitely have that again.